Hi, I'm Vika at YouLi, the software for group trips. Today I'll tell you what YouLi group travel platform is and how a tour operator like you can be powered by YouLi. YouLi helps group tour operators and travel designers create beautiful itineraries like this one for Environmental retreats. You can showcase everything about your trip, add optional items, and even upsell merchandise like a transformational travel journal right here. Here is how you can take bookings and manage your room inventory. You can use this booking page on its own or integrate it with a website like Rachel here did. You can also get a website from YouLi, like the team at Adventure Out Loud here did. So promote your trips, take bookings, and even manage tasks and documents like sign a waiver form or travel insurance, all in one place. That's the magic that YouLi software offers for group trips. All of that, including the free basic travel website, is included in Crew Starter package for only $60 a month with no booking fee. Try it for free for 30 days at youlivetotravel.com. And of course, if you have any questions, reach out in the chat box. I hope I'll see you soon.